What do you do when you're tired of pork ribs? Well, the only logical explanation is to go to beef ribs, so that's what we're doing today. Hi YouTube, welcome back. This is Griffin Grills and I am Griffin, and as you heard in the intro, we're going to be doing beef ribs today. I've actually got mine cut into individual ribs and I'm soaking them in a 50-50 mix of Worcestershire and water just to help kind of keep them moist. It's also going to help our spices stick. With spices today, we're going to be working with 2 parts of ground black pepper, 1 part salt, and 1/4 part of granulated garlic powder. So we'll go ahead and get the ribs seasoned up, and we're going to be doing it on our kettle today with the slow and sear attachment. I've already got my coals in there, my water, and we're using hickory wood. So we'll see if we can get this kettle about 250-275 degrees for approximately 4 to 5 hours. We'll time the cook as we always do, and we'll let you know how it turns out. But let's get these ribs seasoned up so we can get them on the pit. Alright, so our beef ribs are all seasoned up nice and good, so we're going to go ahead and get them on the smoker and get them smoking. We'll check back in 2 hours and let you know what it looks like. So we are at the 2-hour mark, and we're just going to do a probe test on these. I've got my instant read thermometer here. I'm not really concerned about temperature. I'm just concerned about the tenderness that the probe goes in. So let's try it and see what we think. There's a little bit of resistance. It does give kind of a little bit. We want to make sure these are butter probe tender. We can see a little pullback on the bones here, but there's still a little bit of resistance, so I think these need to go for just a little bit longer. So here we are at the 5-hour mark. Let's take a look. We got a lot of shrink back on the bones, but the main thing we're going for is the probe tenderness. No resistance. Goes in like butter. So let's go ahead and pull these off and let them rest. So we've let these rest for almost 20 minutes, and we're going to go ahead and take a bite of it now and see what we think. First off, I want to say that bone slides right out. So let's give it a try, see what we think. Spicy, tender, melt in your mouth. What more could you ask for? Definitely give this one a try. I mean, just pulls apart. All that tenderness. Yeah, you need to give this one a try. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe down below and click that bell notification. That way you get a notification every time that I post a video. And if you don't mind helping me out, you can like, comment, and share this video with your friends. That way they get to see all this barbecue goodness that you get to see. That's all I got for today. I'm going to enjoy these. Go ahead and make this recipe. You're not going to regret it. Easy cook. Just leave them on there for about 5 hours and you'll be golden. So, this has been Griffin Grills. I'm Griffin, and we'll catch you on the next one.